the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now.
Liig at
Tapos eto na naman tayo sa baba.
sa aking ikaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. For the past 19 hours, you have been listening to DWDU 105.5 megahertz, a commercial FM radio station broadcasting from Clark, Freeport, Philippines. UFM 105.5 is owned and operated by Reliance Broadcasting Unlimited. Its studio is located at Clark Building, MA Rojas Highway, Clark, Freeport. UFM 105.5 has a power output of 5,000 watts. The transmitter is located at Clark FM Hill, Clark, Freeport. UFM 105.5 is maintained and operated by the following personnel. Duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Brian B. De Los Reyes. Professional Electronics Engineer with PRC license number 902747856. First Class Radio Telephone Operator Gilbert T. Asidera. 2K1 PCAR 24747. First Class Radio Telephone Operator J.R. Balon. 13-1 PCAR-26573. UFM 105.5. You're on the right side is now signing off.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiid, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga